Hello and warming welcome to my video tutorial. In today I gonna show you how you can get free unlimited coins on SnackShort app without paying anything. Firstly, just come out to Safari on iOS or Google Chrome for Android, then type zymod.com. Secondly, type your favorite game and app name. Then all you need to do just following my video tutorial step by step. Very important steps. You need to unlock this step by clicking on Verify Now in order to get your free resources. If you have trouble, you can watch the final step video tutorial first. After you completed this step, the resource will automatically add it to your account. Congratulations! Now you get unlimited coin on your Good Novel account, but don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun guy, good luck, and I see you in the next video. Bye!